Keto versus low-carb diet. Which one is right for you? Trying to lose weight, burn fat, or boost your energy, but not sure if you should go keto or just eat low-carb? Let's break down the differences, the benefits, and which one is best for you. What's the difference? First things first, both diets cut back on carbs. But the key difference is how low you go. Low-carb diet, 50 to 150 grams of carbs per day. Balanced mix of protein, fat, and fiber. Flexible, sustainable, and beginner-friendly. Keto diet, ketogenic. Under 20 to 50 grams of carbs per day. High fat, moderate protein, very low carbs. Forces your body into ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. Benefits of low carb. Easier to follow long-term. More food variety equals less restriction. Supports steady weight loss and blood sugar control. Great for beginners and lifestyle eaters. Benefits of keto. Fast fat burning, especially belly fat. Reduces hunger and cravings. Can improve focus and mental clarity. Ideal for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes, with medical guidance. Potential drawbacks. Low carb. Slower fat loss compared to keto. Easier to slip up with sneaky carbs. Keto. Hard to maintain. Can cause the keto flu. Socially restrictive. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, and most fruits. So, which one's right for you? Choose low carb if you want flexibility. You're new to carb cutting. You're looking for steady, sustainable results. Choose keto if you want rapid fat loss. You're okay with strict eating. You're motivated to track macros and go all in. Pro tips for both diets. Plan meals ahead to avoid cravings. Stay hydrated, especially on keto. Prioritize whole foods over processed ones. Track your progress, not just weight, energy, sleep, and focus matter too. Whether you go keto or low carb, the goal is the same, a healthier, leaner you. Which plan are you starting with? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more real talk on real results.